Being a successful freelancer requires a combination of skills, discipline, and business acumen. Here are some tips on how to be a good freelancer. 1. Choose your niche. Specialize in a specific area where you have expertise and a genuine interest. Focusing on a niche makes it easier to stand out and become an expert in that field. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your previous work and accomplishments in a well-organized portfolio. Potential clients want to see evidence of your skills and experience. 3. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals as a freelancer. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you stay motivated and make informed decisions. 4. Price your services appropriately. Research the market rates for your services and price yourself competitively. Consider your experience, the complexity of the work, and the value you provide to clients. 5. Create a professional brand. Establish a professional online presence with a clear and memorable brand. This includes a professional website, a professional email address, and social media profiles that reflect your brand. 6. Effective communication. Good communication is key. Be responsive to client inquiries, and maintain clear, professional, and respectful communication at all times. 7. Time management. Manage your time effectively. Create a schedule, set deadlines, and meet them. Time management tools and techniques can help you stay organized and productive. 8. Client relationships. Build strong client relationships. Understand their needs and provide excellent customer service. Repeat business and referrals often come from satisfied clients. 9. Contract and agreements. Always use clear, written contracts or agreements for your projects. These documents outline the scope of work, payment terms, deadlines, and other important details. 10. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technologies. Invest in your professional development and continue to expand your skill set. 11. Networking. Connect with other freelancers, clients, and professionals in your field. Networking can lead to opportunities and collaborations. 12. Financial management. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses. Plan for taxes and ensure you have a stable financial foundation. 13. Diversify income streams. Don't rely solely on one client or one type of work. Diversify your income by offering multiple services or working with multiple clients to reduce risk. 14. Market yourself. Use online platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn to market your services. Maintain an active presence on relevant social media channels. 15. Stay professional. Be reliable and professional in all your dealings. This includes meeting deadlines, being honest, and maintaining a positive attitude. 16. Handle rejection gracefully. Rejections are a part of freelancing. Learn from them and move on with professionalism. 17. Protect yourself. Consider insurance or legal protections if applicable to your work. Freelancers are responsible for their own security. 18. Seek feedback. Be open to constructive criticism and feedback. This can help you improve and grow in your freelancing career. 19. Patience and persistence. Freelancing can be challenging, especially in the beginning. Be patient and persistent in your efforts, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember that success in freelancing often takes time. It's about building a reputation and a client base over time. By consistently delivering high-quality work and maintaining professionalism, you can establish a strong freelancing career.